In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable website links to your designs using Canva and ensure they work seamlessly in a PDF format. Let's dive right in and start from the beginning. First, open Canva on your preferred device. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's an amazing design tool that's both intuitive and powerful, perfect for creating everything from professional presentations to social media posts. Log into your account if you have one, or quickly create one to get started. Once you're in, start preparing your project. You can either choose a design template suitable for your needs or start with a blank canvas. Consider what you're designing. It could be an invite, a presentation, or perhaps an informative flyer. This will guide the style and layout of your design. Next, you'll want to add your website link to the design. Once you've chosen your template and added your text, you can integrate your website link seamlessly. Select the text where you want to insert the hyperlink. It's best to choose a phrase or word that indicates what might happen when someone clicks it, like "visit our site" or "learn more here." Highlight the text to ensure it's selected. Now, look for the three dots on the toolbar above. Click on them to reveal more options. Among these, you'll find the link icon, which looks like a small chain link. Select that option, and a small dialog box will appear, prompting you to paste the link of your website. Carefully enter your URL here, ensuring it's correct, then click Done. You'll immediately notice that your text now has an underline, signifying that a link has been successfully added. Once your link is added, test it to ensure it works. Click on the linked text and see if the website URL shows up, indicating that it's functional. To ensure your link is accessible to others when shared, you'll need to download your design as a PDF. Choose the PDF standard option to maintain quality and functionality of your links from Canva's download menu. After downloading, open the PDF using your preferred PDF viewer. Click on the link in your design to verify it's fully operational and directs you to the intended web page. Testing it at this stage is crucial to make sure there are no errors before you share your document with others. And there you have it. You've successfully added a working hyperlink to your Canva project, making it interactive for your audience. This method is perfect for guiding your readers to additional resources, company websites, or any other online page you want to connect with your audience effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and happy designing.